Huzur, his question is certain hostile to religion person. He puts this question that religion is nothing but a cult, and Ahmadiyya is another cult. It is not any religion.
The person who asked this question is completely ignorant because he does not know the difference between a religion and a cult. True religions are easily recognized as differentiated from the cult. Whether true religion, I don't mean they're true, but I mean any religion can be differentiated from the cult by a thumb rule, easily. Christians give birth to Christians, whether they are believing Christians or not believing Christians, but still they are called Christians all over the world. Muslims give birth to Muslims. What sort of Muslims they are, it doesn't matter. But in cult people do not give birth to their own cult. Rather Krishna cult, this cult, that cult, their offsprings are free. If fathers are Christian, the children may not follow the cult at all. If the fathers are Muslims, the children do not follow the cult, that cult, if a Muslim follows that cult at all. So cult is very finely defined, and it has no similarity with religion. Cults come and go, but that which is powerful, that stays. So in that sense, according to the Holy Quran, whatever benefits the mankind, that stays. So people may ask the question, some religions have turned wrong, so they do not benefit. But it's Allah's sense of justice, fantastic sense of justice, that any religion which started right, that stays. You can count all religions who once were right, God did not destroy them. They will continue till the day of resurrection. So cults do not do that. Cults are a very different phenomenon. Right? You see, these Hare Krishna people were once very popular in Switzerland, in Holland, and some other European countries, even in England and America, etc. But they have left no progeny belonging to their religion. That is cult. They all turn back to their original religions. Children, I mean. Hare Krishna, people did not give birth to Hare Krishna boys, Hare Krishna girls. They belong to their original religion. Now you understand the difference?